for the ROI, and if you rent like 170k, so you get like 12% ROI. So 12% is nothing. So within keep your mind, within 9 years you can just get your money back, and you have the property value. And in JVC, this is the price right now is coming with the 2-bedroom apartment or 1-bedroom study. So you are getting 4-bedroom townhouse with the price of 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, and the video is there already. After some time I will post the video, and as I told you, tomorrow we will start working. And minimum anyone can invest in JVC area. It's around 400, you can say 450, the starting price 450. You can get 1 bedroom, and the price start 450k, and you get easily the rent, and it's 40,000 unfurnished, 50,000 furnished. So it's 450. Let's say you spend more than 50,000 more for the transfer and everything. So the price is 500k. So 500k you're getting 50,000, 10%. Tell me where you can get ROI. That's very good. And the property is there. You have your own property there. In this area is freehold. So JVC is freehold area as compared for another. JVC is freehold area. So always if you're looking for some good opportunity and you can work with us. And if some of the investors, they are looking for the company where they can invest, like they can work with us as a investor. So you can work with us as an investor. We have a lot of things you can just take in, and you can just buy this property and then sell property on behalf of you. And whatever you have some concern, you can come and sit with me. Always my door is open for everyone, so you guys can come. And always I'm just giving the right information to my owners.
Location.
So yeah, definitely the location is always in the Google map. If you go, you can find, alhamdulillah, my company is 4.9 star in Google. So and the location is Jumeirah Village Circle, Prime Business Tower, and office B903. Always keep your mind. You can write down and keep with you. Enlighten Properties, one of the best company in JVC, where you can get good advice. If you want to buy the property or sell the property, you can get good advice. If you don't want to buy with me, it's fine for me. But always the advice, not from me. All of my guys, any of my guys, they are not giving the wrong information to my customer, because I already informed them. Please don't give wrong information to the customer. Either he can buy property from you, either he don't. Because sometimes what happens, if you're closing a deal and the person is coming to give you the check, and you say one wrong word which he know about, because the client know better than you in the market, because he searched all the area. You give one wrong information and he will take the check and give it to the person who gave him the right information. So please don't do this one. Don't